Hi everyone, it's Daryl Baum on set at the JAFRA Beauty Studio. Today I'm going to talk about powder. JAFRA has developed two exceptional powders, the Skin Perfecting Translucent Loose Powder and the Skin Balancing Pressed Powder. Both products are lightweight with soft focus technology to diffuse light and minimize pores and lines. Both give you beautiful skincare benefits for a fresh, healthy glow without the shine. Each powder is perfect for all skin types, and JAFRA has just the right shade for you. Our Skin Perfecting Translucent Loose Powder sets your foundation, and it's with a smaller size powder molecule. Using a brush, the fine powder glides on to give you a natural look. Our Skin Balancing Pressed Powder also has special ingredients to balance the oil and moisture levels for the skin. The powder is jet milled and it's exceptionally fine. This pressed powder is great for touch-ups throughout the day. At home or on the go, JAFRA has the right powder for you.